Hello, future millionaire. Last night, my last video was about you shouldn't buy property to hedge for inflation, particularly hyperinflation, because you can do much better with Bitcoin Cash and all other cryptos. Now, I want to counter my own argument now and tell you what kind of property you should be buying if you want to have a nice lifestyle and still catch up to inflation, and there's very small fees and other things. You want to buy waterfront prime properties with a lot of land. And let me give you an example. Something like this. They don't know I'm making this video. I'm not affiliated with the developer. Okay, I'm not getting anything for this. They don't know I'm making those videos. So land like this, you see, front of the water. What kind of water? I don't care. Waterfront, prime. Yes, they're more expensive, but they are gonna make a lot more money in the long term. But still, they won't be able to catch up to hyperinflation. Let me pan the camera to me. I have today a silent assistant who is holding camera for me. I need to drive. I'm on the land right now, driving through and talking about this type of land. I'm not saying you must buy this plot or any other plot in the vicinity. What I'm telling you is you should be very careful what kind of real estate you buy, because 90% of real estate in the world are not good. They're just simply not good. If you want to catch up to inflation, you have to buy the prime of the prime real estate. And now come back to Bitcoin Cash. Even the most prime of the prime of real estate, we're still not able to catch up to the capital growth in cryptos, particularly in Bitcoin Cash. And in my next part of the video, I'm going to demonstrate to you in real life with my own money, with my own house, what I've done. And also, I'm making this series of videos as a proof of fund, because some people on Reddit and asking me to sign some addresses. Look, I'm not Satoshi. I don't need to prove myself, okay? The amount of money we're talking about here is not that much. The house I sold and bought Bitcoin Cash for is worth far more than the value of the Teslas that I'm proposing to buy. So I'm giving you a tour of the environment I normally live in. You be the judgment if I can afford 111 Teslas. You can comment below. Tell me, am I an imposter? Am I faking it? Is this all just a scam? Am I selling you anything? Let me teach you something. If someone's trying to sell you something, be very careful. The only thing I'm selling you right now is one thing only. The idea that Bitcoin Cash is the best crypto in the world for day-to-day transaction. I'm proving it with the Tesla purchase. I will prove it in the future with day-to-day purchase. And last but not least, this is the single best opportunity for everybody to get involved, to be able to get out your social economic level. With Bitcoin Cash, you can literally go from the bottom 20% to the top 20% over a period of 1 year or 2 years. I know I upgraded my own level. I was in the top 0.1%. I believe right now I'm in the 0.01%, which is extremely difficult to do. So don't underestimate the power of Bitcoin Cash. This is going to be one of the best investment opportunity of all time, and your future financial freedom depends on it. Okay? Just stop the car here and stop the video as well. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.